In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a new table in Notion, step by step for beginners. Welcome back to the channel. If you're brand new to Notion, a table is a flexible way to organize projects, tasks, or any kind of data, and you can set it up in just a few minutes. First, open Notion and go to the page where you want the table to live. This can be an existing page in your workspace or a fresh one. Once you're on the right page, type a / followed by the word table. Notion will show you two choices. The option labeled Table creates a full-page table, perfect when the table is the main focus of the page. The option labeled Table View creates a table inside the current page, also called an inline table, which is ideal when you want to keep notes or other content above and below it. Choose whichever option fits your layout best and click it. As soon as the table appears, give it a clear name so it matches your purpose. For example, Project Tasks. Naming it well makes it easier to find and keeps your workspace tidy. Next, set up your columns. Click the plus button to add a column, then pick the property type that suits the information you'll store. Text is great for descriptions, number for budgets or estimates, date for due dates, and select or multi-select for tags and categories. You can always change a column's type later if needed, and you can rename each column by clicking its header. Now add your data. Click the New button to create a row and start entering information directly into the cells. Press Tab to move across columns quickly, and Enter to create another row. Keep filling in your rows until your table reflects the items you want to track. If you need to adjust the layout, you can drag column headers left or right to reorder them. For better organization, use the Sort and Filter options in the menu at the top of the table. Sorting helps you see items by date or priority, while filtering lets you focus on just the entries you care about. To fine-tune the view, you can resize columns by dragging their edges so longer text fits comfortably. If you make a mistake, simply undo and keep going. For select and multi-select properties, assign clear, contrasting colors to your tags to make the table easy to scan at a glance. And that's how to create a new table in Notion. Like, share, and subscribe for more tutorials.